Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Eve here. Today's video I'm really excited to do because we're going to be unboxing several hauls that I just recently done. Kind of feeling guilty. I have Sephora VIB sale haul, and then I also shopped a little bit at Ulta, and I also have mini haul from Anastasia Beverly Hills. And if you're new here, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. And without any further ado, let's get into unboxing new makeup. All right, guys, as you can see, I'm in a completely different setting today. I'm literally sitting on the floor in my beauty room because that's just how I felt. Of course, like any other video, we're gonna start with my nails. They are by Dash and Diva and the style Wild Thoughts. This is a long style almond. I love these. These fit my nails really wonderfully, and the glue on these guys is really good. Last time they literally held on my nails for like entire week with me like doing chores and everything. All right, let's get into Sephora Haul first, and I think I did pretty good this time. I didn't go too crazy. Really also like to know what you guys picked up. Did you shop VIB sale, and which item you picked up? Let me know in the comments below. The first item that I picked up was Natasha Denona Glam Face Palette. I got mine in the shade Light. Super cute packaging. It feels super luxe, absolutely beautiful. I don't think I'm gonna be doing a full separate review on this. I'm definitely gonna be trying this on camera. Probably gonna do like one full video of trying all this stuff because there's so many creators that already reviewed this palette ahead of time. I haven't even swatched it. I am familiar with her eyeshadow formula. However, I never tried any of the face products. It looks beautiful. I went for the lighter option because I've watched a few reviews from other creators. I basically learned that there's really not that much difference with these two products. I really like to have a face palette that is very useful for everyday wear. I can travel with this. I can take it for my like work trips or have it on my desk for everyday use and just use it for my office. And I know that I wouldn't do like a very heavy smoky eye on everyday basis, and that's why I went with the lighter version of the eyeshadows. Then I also picked up another small palette from Natasha Denona, and I went with this Star Mini Palette, and this is what's on my eyes today. I basically use this two matte shades, and then I put this shade that's called Cosmo all over my lid, and then I use this shade Bellatrix in my inner corner, and I just added a little bit of like an icy highlighter right in my inner corner, and I brought it up a little bit higher. I really like the look. I really thought that this was super easy to use. The quality is really great. It's not a new eyeshadow palette, but I love the formula. I enjoy the color story. I think this is definitely something that I will be using a lot. I really love these brown two matte shades are included here and the versatility of the shimmers. These brown tones are kind of more into like a true neutral category that I feel really comfortable with. I think it looks really good for everyday use, or even if you're going out, it comes out to a really beautiful smoky eye. And these two are very buildable. This shade actually surprised me quite a bit because in the pan it looks quite light, and I didn't expect it to actually show up too much on my skin tone. However, it did. It actually deposited a really good amount of color. I'm pretty sure you can even create a look with just these, for example, two shades, like the lighter shimmer and just this a lighter matte shade. So I am really pleased with this palette. I'm very happy that I picked it up. So the next item, I actually surprised myself how fast and quickly I added it to my basket and checked out. I did have it on my wish list, but I really didn't expect to buy it. It was so pricey. I actually ended up buying it. This is the new holiday palette by Charlotte Tilbury. It's called Smoky Eyes Are Forever. This palette just looks really pretty. The outside packaging just feels luxe and very holiday-ish, and when you open it, it just looks really sleek, very thin, and it kind of has this like beautiful design. It looks like arrays of light. Charlotte Tilbury logo right here in the front. When you open it up, There is a full-size mirror right on top. So it's absolutely gorgeous palette. This is not the first item from the brand for me. However, the first eyeshadow palette from Charlotte Tilbury that I have. I decided to purchase this one and not other ones because I feel like there's a good range from lightest to darker. So I really like that there's white color starting on this end and then black matte shade on this side. There's a really good depth going on here. So I can see myself creating a lot of looks. There's this beautiful green shade or greenish shade and then some warmer tones right here, some beautiful shimmers. I haven't even swatched this, guys. Like, this is a brand new palette. Most probably will be doing a separate video for this, so I would dedicate a little bit more time towards swatches. I am very excited about this. Definitely see myself using this palette. Every single story definitely speaks to me. Then I picked up two things from Huda Beauty Glowish line. This is Soft Radiance bronzing powder, and then I picked up the Cheeky Vegan blush powder in the shade 02 Caring Coral. The size is different from the bronzer to the blush. If you were interested to purchase this, the packaging is super cute. I have never seen a packaging like this. So there's kind of like a thin base on both of these, and then you have a clear packaging on the bronzer, which I kind of like because you can see the color, you can see the product through, right? So it just opens up like that, plastic component. And then on the blush, we do have the cap that actually reflects the color of the blush, and then you just open it up and there's a mirror. I would be using this product definitely in my future video very soon. It is very firmly pressed product and it does have a beautiful glow. I'm really excited to try this. And as far as the blush, I love this color. This shade is definitely more pink than coral than I expected it to be. So the next product, it was just personally for me because I've tried it in a sample size and I really love the effect of it. It is not a new product and nobody really talks about it. I just personally wanted it for my own self and not necessarily maybe for my YouTube channel. I'm definitely going to be talking about it here because that product is so good and I feel like nobody really talks about it much, or maybe I missed the time when people were talking about it. This is a blurring primer. It's called the Leveler Pore Minimizing Primer, Smoothing and Filling the Pores by Beauty Blender. You guys, this comes in shades and I got mine in light to medium. This is such an amazing product. This is the best pore blurring or pore filling primer I've tried and tested. I still have some of my favorites. They're in my collection that do a good job. I love them and I use them and I recommend them to you. The best effect that I've ever gotten from a blurring primer was this. It just literally blurs your T-zone, your complexion, your visible pores to like non-existence. The next product that I picked up was this set from Fenty Beauty. This is their holiday edition of this year, and you guys know how much I love orange tones of lips and blushes. The gloss is in the shade Peach Pout and the blush is in the shade Peach Face. Never tried a cream blush from Fenty Beauty. This is the first time and I mean it's a beautiful formula that's not sticky, very comfortable on lips. I love the doe foot applicator. Even though it feels a little bit out of season with the colors, I love the idea of having a blush and a gloss come in the same like color story. And then I picked up a few new skincare items. I've tried different products from Ordinary brand and I enjoyed them, and I just decided to try something different this time. This is the Buffet Serum. This contains Metrixyl 3000, peptides and hyaluronic acids, and also amino acids. I just personally noticed that using serums makes a difference in my overall skin health because it's a concentrated product in a specific ingredient that makes a difference that's beneficial to your skin. If you're willing to spend more money on one skincare product, let it be serum, because at least that is one product that actually makes a huge difference for overall skin. And this is the Avocado Ceramide Recovery Serum from a Glow Recipe. This is the first item that I'm gonna be trying from the brand. I mean, the packaging is absolutely gorgeous. It's super cute. It's so original. Last component here, and the plastic cap, when you take it off, there is a pump. Let me know if you guys tried anything from the brand. All I hear is just good things about all the products, and I'm definitely interested to try more if this product works out. All the ingredients that are included in this serum, I've tried in the past, but like separately. So I'm really excited to see what the result is going to be for my skin after using this. This sums up my Sephora haul, and I hope you liked it. Let me know if you picked up some of the same items that I also did. And now let's go to part 2, and I'm gonna share with you my Ulta haul. First item I'm gonna start with is something that I've repurchased a million times. I've talked about it so many times. I actually also filmed a full face of this brand recently, and I can link it for you in the description box. Product is fantastic. It performs as well as high-end, if not better. I'm never out of this product. And this product is a Brighten It Up powder, which is a banana powder by Essence. Simple packaging. If you've never tried this product, you're definitely missing out, especially if you're a combination oily skin like me. This is a fantastic powder for your T-zone, powdering down your T-zone, retouching your T-zone, baking your T-zone, all these things. It doesn't have flashbacks. All the next products that I'm going to be talking about, they're brand new to me, but they are very affordable. So recently, Essence also dropped these mini palettes, and I picked up these two. The first one is Coral Me Maybe eyeshadow palette, and this is Ice Ice Baby. Both of these are 6-pen palettes, plastic components. They're very small, fit into the palm of my hand. Coral color story. We do have some lighter coral shades. We have like deeper brown here, and 3 shimmers are included. I love corals on my skin tone. I know, even though like I'm probably not going to be using these so much in a winter since we're going in winter season. However, I know I'll reach out for this in spring and summer. I really love coral on my skin tone. This Ice Ice Baby palette I decided to try because I do not have too many blue shades in my collection, and I thought I would just try something icy, something different. And it's very compact, very affordable, and I heard that the quality is great. And then I picked up one more palette, and this is by LA Girl Keep It Playful eyeshadow palette. So this is one of the 3 choices I think that was there, and this is kind of like more in like a cooler tone palette, and it has some grays. You can definitely do like a very neutral look, or you can do like a really nice icy smoky eye with grays. Yes, I've heard good things about these palettes specifically. I wanted to try the formula, and I also wanted to add some more affordable palettes to my eyeshadow palette collection. I will be filming my full eyeshadow palette collection very soon before the year ends. Also, I've never tried this setting spray by Morphe, and this is available in 3 different sizes. I guess it's that good for them to come out in like all the options you can possibly get. So I actually got a mini size. This is a mini size. This is 1.3 fluid ounces for this container. I don't really have a lot from Morphe in general. I recently picked up one of their palettes, but I really heard a lot of wonderful things about this setting spray, and I really enjoy the continuous setting sprays. So I picked up a travel size because I think I can get a lot of use out of this. Then I also picked up one more item from Essence brand. This is makeup brush that you would use to deepen your outer corner. It feels really soft, and then it's a perfect size. It's just something that I don't really have in my collection, and I did try a few other brushes from Essence. They don't have too many, but I think I have 2, and then I love them. I use them all the time. And the last item from Ulta Haul is this Aveda Bath Bubble Bath. I love baths. I already filmed, I've already shared with you guys my spa nights that I usually do on Wednesdays. It breaks down my week in half and just helps me to relax, helps me sleep better. Yeah, I will have that video linked for you here as well, so you'd look into it if you're interested. However, I needed a new bubble bath that I'm kind of like running low on my Dr. Teal's ones, and usually I have everything like lavender and chamomile and something that's like very herby. This is a coconut cream scent. I love everything coconut, so this was on an amazing deal, It smells heavenly. The name says heavenly coconut. It does smell heavenly. After I try this, I'll definitely give you an update because I'm like super excited to take my next bath with it. Okay guys, let's move on to part 3 and let me show you what I picked up at the Anastasia Beverly Hills website. The Anastasia Beverly Hills had their up to 50% off from their website. So I try to be a good girl and didn't go too crazy buying everything. I definitely wanted more things. I was very interested to try all these products from the very beginning, from the day they were launched. So we of course have some complexion products in here. You guys know that I love complexion products. So I went ahead and picked up a new cream bronzer in the shade Amber. The packaging is absolutely stunning. It's fully plastic. However, the lid shows the color of the product itself. And when you open it, it does have a clear protective lid here. I haven't swatched mine yet, but it looks more on a warmer side, which is okay. I will definitely be testing it on camera. I had cream products in my makeup collection even before the cream product trend started. In the past year, I've tried a good amount of them. So I definitely was interested in this specific product from Anastasia Beverly Hills because Anastasia Beverly Hills is one of those brands that for some reason I trust the quality. Then I also picked up the cream blush from the collection, and mine is in the shade Peachy Keen. Beautiful rose gold packaging. This side of the component has a brush. And then the next product that I picked up is the Magic Touch Concealer. I got mine in the shade 6. The packaging is absolutely gorgeous. Pretty large doe foot applicator. I think that I'm gonna be using it for my like spot concealing my overall redness on my face rather than just my under eyes, but I will try it both ways and we will see how this goes. It definitely feels like it's kind of like a medium thickness to this product. I almost had slight difficulty choosing a correct shade for myself on a line. The last 3 products from this haul are brow products. So I picked up this Brow Freeze Clear Styling Wax. I've been really loving Stronghold clear gels, and I really don't have that many. I only have that one from NYX Cosmetics that I've been loving, and I just wanted to try some more because I kind of been really into this like clear gel thing. Then I also picked up this mini clear gel in the tube with the brush. I thought I would just opt out for a smaller size. And then I also got the brow pen in the shade Taupe. A very skinny tip applicator like that. Let's go ahead and try to swatch the color. I mean, it goes pretty thin. The tip is a brush tip, but it's very, very flexible. It almost looks like it's felt, but it's very, very thin bristles put nicely together. This sums up my 3 different hauls video today. Hope you enjoyed it and loved it. If you picked up any of this product, please let me know in the comments below. Would like to know what you guys are shopping for these days. Which sales are you loving? Which sales are you skipping? Thank you so much for watching. Again, I hope if you like this video, give it a thumb up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you go. Thanks so much for watching. I love you all, and I'll see you in my next videos. Bye.